Mother Nature unleashed her fury like never before. The UAE and Oman were rocked by a colossal storm, unleashing record-breaking rainfall and chaos across the region. 254 millimeters of rain pounding down within a single day. But why did it happen? Rumors are about the UAE's cloud seeding experiments. But hold on to your hats, because the meteorological experts shut that theory down faster than lightning. No cloud seeding occurred before the storm unleashed its wrath. Get ready for the shock of your life, because experts reveal the spine-chilling truth, and it's climate change, a spine-tingling combination of natural weather patterns and the blistering effects of global warming brewed up the perfect storm for disaster.